look how easy it was, ish,
Yeah,
to put on the van.
Yeah.
So now, I mean, I've got to find a way of stopping it sliding off. Hello, my name's Mel, welcome to my world, and for those of you that are new to my channel, it's all about self-built campervans and campervan related stuff. So if that's something that interests you, then please do consider subscribing to my channel. Now, regular viewers will know I like to do a little bit of experimenting now and again, and today I'm going to experiment with an awning. Now, I've wanted to fit an awning to my van for quite a while, but those Fiamma wind out type awnings, they're really expensive. They're like £850, like £800. And then not only have you got to buy the awning, you've got to buy the brackets that fit to it as well. And the only brackets I could find for my van that would be suitable, because I've got a uni-strut roof rack, are 95 quid each, and you need 2 of those. So we're looking at best part of £1,000 just for a bit of an awning. So I've come up with a little bit of a solution. I'm going to use a caravan awning. Now, this awning isn't a wind out awning, you have to roll it down yourself, which means I don't have to store a handle anywhere. And a really nice thing about this, and this is what I hope is going to work, is the fact that all it does is slide onto an awning rail, which I've already got fitted to my van. So all I've got to do is literally slide this in and unroll it, and hey presto, I've got an awning. Now you might think that's pretty bold thing to do, because this thing isn't light, although it's a lot lighter than a Fiamma rollout, wind out awning. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take the awning out of the bag and then slide the bag into the awning rail. And I've got my lovely assistant here, Rebecca, to help me.
Should we give it a go?
Let's give it a go. What could possibly go wrong? Hang on, let's shut the door first. I like the window. The little monkey's in there, asleep on the bed.
Yeah.
Stop her out. Well, let's hope that wind doesn't interfere with us too much or blow the camera over like I did last time it was windy. Right, I've got my ladder ready. I think we might need 2 ladders. Oh no, that's alright, I've got an idea. Stand in the step here.
How tall do you think I am?
No, I can stand, put it in, and then you can take it from there on. Right, so we'll take it out of the bag. Right, so you've got to undo these Velcro clips.
And take the safety cushioning out.
Take the safety thing out. Just take the safety thing out. I mean, it's good camera back so people see exactly what we're doing. There you go. Nice shot.
Oh, you can't?
No, you can. Oh, no, you can't take it right out of the bag. But what I'm thinking is, we can unroll it. So now unroll it. Oh, Velcro off. You've got Velcro now? No, right, okay. So unroll it all the way, evenly. This is where the wind comes in.
Ow.
Right, so that's it now, it's unrolled.
Right.
Bring it over towards the van, down towards me a little bit. And now I'll do, lay it on the floor, close to the van, this bit, close to the van. That's it. Now.
Oh, I see, you want me to feed it up to you?
No, I'll feed it up. Can I get any more?
I'm going to have to bring it closer to you.
Oh, maybe we're doing this more. Maybe we should open the sliding door. And I'll stand on the step of the sliding door and shut this door. Because that's going to hold it away, isn't it? Maybe this isn't going to be as easy as I thought it was. Right. You're going to want that down. The van's a bit tall.
I don't think we're going to be able to do this.
Yeah, we will. Just got to lift it up a bit. I've got an idea.
I can just see this going horribly wrong.
What can possibly go wrong?
Yeah, alright. I'm going to have to hold it.
Yeah, take the weight of that, that's it. Hold that up and I'll do the rest.
Right.
Yeah, go that way with it and hold it up.
Okay, hold on a sec.
That's an idea, that's a good idea. Yeah, hold the whole thing up, keep it square, and then I should be able to thread it on. And wait for that gust of wind.
Yeah.
You alright with that?
Yeah.
The liquid flying out the other end.
That's the badger.
I think I should get on the roof, because now I'm in the way.
Yeah.
Oh, I nearly went.
Please get there.
There you go. It's starting to fucking
Raining.
rain.
It won't be long, it's just a shower.
I'm just showering, nothing to worry about.
That's it, just a little bit more.
No, we want it there like
You want
that.
it there? Okay.
That's it. One all in fitted.
Woo!
Now we've got to just get the ladder so I can get down.
Okay.
So just let that hang. Just let it hang. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, let it hang on its own. Push that bit in, 'cause that's the leg. That's it.
But I need to be able to get the ladder out from underneath by letting this go. Yeah?
Yeah. Yeah, you have to let it go.
Let it go.
That's
Let
it.
it go. Don't hold it back anymore.
I don't know if that'd be a good idea to put it on there, because there's glass behind it. Put it on the end.
Alright. Tell you what, it's nice quality.
It's quality, isn't it?
Yeah.
You can tell it's quality.
And it's a lovely grey that goes with your van. We're going to take this out and try it.
Yeah. Hang on up. Oh yeah, yeah.
Rotate it down.
Oh yeah, one's a leg. Either one.
This is round the other wrong way though, so maybe it has to go this way. Yeah, there we go. So we've got this, so this is the bottom, if that makes sense, because the Fiamma is upside down. So
Well,
this
that's up the right way. So
no, this has just got to go literally like that and go down.
Mhm.
So the Fiamma, that is on the inside, that stays at the top, like that, and then this just goes like this, down.
Like that.
Yeah. Does that work?
No. Because these aren't the legs, are they? Oh, no.
And that one's the one that goes to the van.
Oh, wrong the clips on it.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
And then the
There you go.
Fiamma is up the right way, facing this way with this label, and then on the end it says Fiamma, and it's also up the right way.
So that's there, right?
And then these pull out
Now pull
and
it
come
out.
down.
See what happens now.
Ooh.
There you go. You got it.
Yeah? She just didn't have it the right way.
Yeah, that's what I thought. This is. So these are the legs then.
The ones with the black extended bits. Yeah,
they're
the
legs.
feet.
Right, so put the feet down.
I will if I can reach that.
Don't know how far it goes. Is there a stopper?
It kind of just goes as far as it goes.
Oh yeah, it locks. Look at that, it's got a locker. Right. And then these.
That goes.
No, I think you've got to put it in place first. There's little channels up there, look.
Oh, right,
I think you've got to be super tall to do that. Hang on.
Oh, I see, and then it clicks. Can you imagine if the wind just comes and it rips off and it goes flying off over the top of the house?
That's what happened to the last one. Oh, maybe I should have got a wine that one. It doesn't quite. Oh, there you go. It's tight, I tell you.
That's it, keep going. Way.
That's super tight.
I guess it's got to be top taut.
So now we could roll it down if you wanted to. Yeah, there you go.
How much?
That's it, lovely. I don't know if I like this.
No, I'm not sure.
I don't know if I really like that. I might have to take that off, I think. Mind you, it does look like it can
It's
come out.
removable, yeah. I guess it's to stop driving rain from going in. I think that looks smarter.
Yeah, that's better, isn't it? And it is quite windy today, so...
But then maybe it helps with the drips. Like if it's raining,
Like this?
yeah, it probably takes the drips away than dripping in.
We'll keep it then, we'll just...
Keep it, yeah. But just keep it for like a wet day.
Yeah. It won't hurt to leave it in there, will it?
No.
Taking it off.
No, but
There are
that's the
tie
only
downs
thing
that
I'm
go in here.
thinking.
And... Hang on. Well, there was... Ah, well done. So in the kit, it comes with...
Oh, pegs.
Pegs, yeah, these pegs and these guide ropes, so you can put the guide ropes in here and tie it down to stop it blowing around in the wind. It's got these little grommets and stuff. We ain't going to worry about that because it comes with these panel brackets as well. So these feet, those little black clips on the bottom of them feet, can actually go in the side of the van.
Well, again, you just do that, don't you?
Try it. Let's see. You have to pull it out, I think, to that stopper. It's got a stopper if you pull it all the way. Yeah?
Oh, plenty.
So they'll go like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, in the side of the van. Which is even better. And you can still use the guide ropes.
Yeah. That's a big space. It's surprising how much bigger.
Yeah, I mean, it's great, isn't it?
Yeah.
I'm really pleased with that. And the good thing about this, the real good thing about this awning, look how easy it was, ish,
Yeah,
to
once
put
you
on
get
the
it.
van.
Yeah.
So now, I mean, I've got to find a way of stopping it sliding off. Maybe I should have fitted these first. Like I was saying, you could put in the wheels, look. Now, as I was saying, the good thing about this is, before we go, is that, as you can see, it was really easy to put on, which means it'll be easier to take off and put on another van.
Yes. I might be borrowing it.
So that's what I like about this. That's what appealed to me anyway.
Yeah,
the fact
because you
that
just
can,
unzip it
and yeah, you can take it
and
off.
push it. Yeah.
But the other good thing is, when I'm not using it, instead of having it hanging down the side of the van like that, once it's all zipped up and put away, I can then flop that bag over on the roof, put something around it to hold it in place.
Scares
We're
me.
good to go. Right, I'm going to end this video before it gets blown away.
Yeah, let's do it.
If you like this video, do give us a thumbs up. Don't forget, if you're new to my channel, please do consider subscribing, and I will put a link to where I got this from in the description of this video. Thanks for watching. Ta-ra for now. Oh, don't forget to subscribe to Rebecca's channel too.
Yeah, thanks. That'd be
Sorry.
great.
Right, let's put this away before the wind takes it away.
Good afternoon, welcome to my world. And today we're going to be fitting a Fiamma slide-on awning. Woo!
Now let's do that properly, shall we?